Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the next tense, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to describe an action that took place at the specific time in the past. This tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by the some point of time in the past. For example, at 6, Shaina had left for the station, and the another example is Monica had played her first match at the age of 14. Dear students, it is very important to understand because this tense is little tricky. So first of all, we will understand how do we form sentences in past perfect tense. Okay. So this tense is formed with had plus past participle. Past participle means third form of verb. For example, I had finished writing my first book by the year 2000. They had had their lunch just then. And the next example is he had been a colonel in the army before he took up the new job. Here you can see in all these sentences the subject is followed by the had and past participle. To form negative sentences, it is formed by putting not after had. We can use the contraction of had, hadn't. I hadn't switched off the television before the dad came in. And the another example, when we reached the theater, the doors hadn't been shut. The interrogative sentences is formed by putting had before the subject. For example, had the teacher distributed the question papers by the time we reached the school? Let's see one more example. Had he moved to another city by 2020? Have a look on uses past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express a past action which had been completed before another past action. For example, we had checked all the rooms before we went to search for Fisher. In this example, two actions are here, have checked and second one is went out. The first action, the verb in past perfect tense have been first and the verb in past simple tense happen after that. Do you understand how that works? Let's have a look on another example. I had already done the task when the teacher announced a surprise checking. Here is two actions. The first one is past perfect tense and second one is simple past tense. That means past perfect tense is used to express occurrence of two actions or events one after another. So remember that student, the past perfect tense generally appears in the combination with simple past tense. Okay. The past perfect tense is also used to express unfulfilled desire of the past. Unfulfilled desire means the wishes that could not be fulfilled. So let's see the example. I wish I had worked a little harder before the exams. And the second example is, if only he had valued the love of elders. The next is, past perfect tense is also used to express impossible condition of the past. If you had run faster, you would have won the race. And the second example, if he had written neatly, he would have got better marks.